One day, without any warning, you will look back, and time will feel different. Not slow, not endless, but terrifyingly short. This is English Tales, and this story is for anyone who still believes they have plenty of time without realizing how quietly it's all slipping away. Wasted time doesn't scream at you. It doesn't announce its departure, it just disappears politely.
One distracted day at a time, one postponed goal at a time.
One "I'll do it later" at a time. And that is precisely why regret hurts so deeply. It's not because life was hard, but because the pain was avoidable. Most people don't regret the things they tried and failed at. No, they regret the chances they never took, the conversations they avoided, the dreams they delayed for one day. They regret the years they spent preparing for life instead of actually living it. Right now, in this moment, wasted time feels harmless, doesn't it? Scrolling through your phone doesn't feel dangerous. Procrastinating on that project doesn't feel fatal. Staying in your comfort zone doesn't feel like a loss. Until one day, it does. One day, the effort required feels heavier. Your energy feels lower, and the opportunities you once took for granted feel fewer and farther between. And suddenly time has weight. It has a gravity you can no longer ignore. People often say, "I just didn't know." But the truth is, they did. We all do. We feel it every single time we choose comfort over growth. Every time we ignore that quiet, persistent voice in our head saying, "You should be doing more with your life." But ignoring it is just easier. It's simpler to stay where we are. Time doesn't punish you for wasting it. It doesn't scold you or hold you back. It simply moves on without you. And the cruelest part? You never get a warning when the last easy year passes you by. There is no cosmic announcement that says, "This was the year you should have started." There is only the quiet, crushing realization later. Much, much later. The regret of wasted time isn't loud, explosive anger. It's a silent sadness, a quiet ache. It's the profound knowing that you had the ability, you had the chance, you had the moment, and you let it pass because you assumed there would always be another one. But time doesn't renew itself. It doesn't give you refunds or do-overs. Every single day you delay becomes a memory you can't redo. Every year you waste becomes a lesson you learned far too late. Think about the people who truly changed their lives. They don't have more time than you. They aren't given extra hours in the day. They simply respect time more. They understand a fundamental truth that most people don't learn until it hurts. Time is the only currency you spend without noticing. Until one day you check your balance and realize you're broke. You don't need to fix your entire life today. That's not the point. But you do need to stop treating your time like it's an unlimited resource. Because one day, the regret of wasted time will stand before you and ask a question you can't escape. What did you do with all the years you were given? And the answer you give will be shaped entirely by what you choose to do now. Not tomorrow. Not next week. Now, if this story made you pause, if it made you reflect, or if it made you feel just a little uncomfortable in a way that feels true, then take a moment and subscribe to English Tales. These stories exist to help you wake up before regret becomes a permanent part of your own story. Thanks for listening, and I'll see you in the next one.